Hey everyone, I'm Kenny Brain and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Today is all about flipping. I'm going to be turning something old into my new favorite fall piece. I found this vintage side table at a local thrift shop and it was a little sad, kind of wobbly, scratched up, but full of potential. The first step is to tighten up these loose legs. I'm going to be doing that with the WORX Nitro 20 volt compact brushless half-inch drill driver. It is compact, super lightweight, which makes it a lot easier to get it into those tight spaces. The next step is hardware. Switching out dated knobs or pulls is an instant way to add personality. I'm going with a modern fall vibe for this piece, so I think a matte black would do the trick. Next, I'm going to sand down all of the surfaces. Afterwards, I have to make sure that everything is clean and ready for paint. I'm using the WORX 20 volt leaf jet blower to blow away any dirt or dust particles. I love using this because of the adjustable nozzle. It allows you to adjust the speed or volume depending on what project you're doing. And now it's time for the fun part, paint. I specifically chose this sprayer because I wanted a nice, smooth finish. I'm using the WORX Nitro 20 volt cordless paint sprayer with a brushless motor for a smooth finish. What's great about this sprayer is that it can actually hold up to 1,000 milliliters. It has different nozzle heads for different types of sprays, and you can adjust the speed and flow depending on what kind of project you're doing. And to go with the whole fall vibe, I went with a nice matte, really warm cinnamon tone brown. And a pro tip here is to make sure that you sand between every coat because you want to get a nice, consistent, smooth finish. So now that the paint has dried, I am ready to style my new favorite fall piece. And just like that, we've turned something old into my new fall favorite statement piece, all powered by a flexible battery platform. Hopefully I've inspired you to do the same in your own home. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you right here next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by WORX PowerShare, expandable power.